Hey everyone, welcome to week number 4, which is all about digital citizenship in Google Classroom. So, what you can expect to see posted in the morning is some readings, my lecture notes for you to peruse those. And then in Google Classroom, again, some readings and some notes for you to take a look at. This assignment, let me just open it up here, is to be done in your regular Gmail account. Okay, so let me just open up the actual assignment here. That was the readings. And so there's a long list of instructions here. There's, of course, a checklist that you're to fill out. And then there's a couple of videos here on how to create a Google Classroom. And then also part of the assignment is to add a video with questions to your classroom. So there's a little video on that. Okay. Now, again, to just make it really clear, you have to do this in your regular Gmail account. Okay. And then you will send an invitation to me, and it shows you how to do that in the video, to rdp.demo.student1@gmail.com. Okay, you cannot use your EDU accounts because you cannot be a student and a teacher in the same organization or in the same school. Okay, so make sure you follow those directions, and of course, if you have any questions about it, let me know. There isn't, other than the checklist, there isn't anything to hand out. After you invite me at this email address here, what will happen is I have to accept the invitation before I'm formally a student in your class, and that's the way it works for Google Classroom, no matter whether you're using it in the education side or in just the regular side. Okay, so that's this assignment. That's the Google Classroom as a teacher. Okay. And then there are two things around digital citizenship. One is an actual Google digital citizenship course. Okay, it is all common sense stuff, so you're not going to have any problem doing it. What you hand in at the end is there is a certificate saying that you completed it. I also want the screenshot, and I'll show you those in a second. But there is no rubric for this assignment. Okay, so there's two things that are going to happen. One is you will go to this course, and then when you're done, you will get a certificate that looks like this, saying that you completed it. Okay, your name will be right here. Okay, and then the second thing that you need to do is you need to take a screenshot of your screen showing me your picture and the day that you passed the digital citizenship course. Okay, both of these items are awesome items to put in your e-portfolio for Ed 1500. So if you've taken that already, these are a good fit to put in there, these certificates. Okay, so that's that assignment. Okay, this will probably not take you more than, maybe 30 minutes. Okay, and then the other one that I want you to do is one called the Internet Awesome Game. And on this one, you also get a certificate. Actually, you get quite a bit nicer certificate. So what I'll be looking for is just this certificate. Now, there are different levels that you play in this game. I don't need the certificates from those levels. All I need is this Internet Awesome certificate that has your name on it, and it'll ask you to put your name in at the beginning, and that's the name that will come out on the certificate for you. Okay, and that's the only certificate I accept. All right. Again, your final certificate is what you hand in. I don't need all those badges and all, like I said, all those other certificates for the different worlds you visit and complete. And again, there is no rubric for this assignment. Okay, so that is your week as far as work goes. And then what we will have, and what, like we did the last quiz, is we have quiz number 2 coming up. So it'll be the same idea. It'll be a timed quiz. You'll have all day Sunday to work on it, all the way up to midnight. And I don't have it all set up yet, but please make sure that you read the instructions. You can see this is for the old one, so don't pay, or just ignore these dates and times and all that jazz for now. Okay, all right. So if you have any questions about any parts of the assignment or the quiz, let me know. This quiz will be comprised of or include everything from quiz number 1, So all of this stuff here that we talked about in week number 3, and then all of the stuff that you will cover in week number 4 as well. Okay. All right. Good luck. Have fun with it. Especially the game. It's a lot of fun. And you just need a half decent internet connection, and you basically use your keyboard to move your little character around. Okay. Thanks, everybody.